Here I have INFINIX Hot 11S, and today I'm going to show you how to enable battery percentage on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the power marathon section, then go to the battery settings and enable battery percentage here. So as you can see, after you enable it, you can see your current battery charge in percent here inside the battery icon in the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.